Dear students, in this session we shall work some problems under the chapter Numbers and Sequences. Question number 1. The general term of a sequence is defined as an equals n into n plus 3 when n belongs to the set of natural numbers is odd. Also, an equals n square plus 1 given n belongs to the set of natural numbers if it is even. Find the 11th and the 18th terms. Solution. To find A11, since 11 is an odd number, we put n equals 11 in an equals n into n plus 3. Therefore, the 11th term A11 equals 11 into 11 plus 3, that is equal to 11 into 14, which will be equal to 154. To find A18, since 18 is even, we put n equals 18 in an equals n square plus 1. Therefore, the 18th term A18 will be equal to 18 square plus 1, that is equal to 325. Now moving on to the second question. Find the first 5 terms of the following sequence given A1 equals 1, A2 equals 1 and an equals an minus 1 whole divided by an minus 2 plus 3, where n is greater than or equal to 3 and n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Solution. The first 2 terms of this sequence are already given to be a1 equals 1 and a2 equals 1. The third term a3 depends on the first and the second terms. So a3 will now be equal to a3 minus 1 whole divided by a3 minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to a2 whole divided by a1 plus 3. But already we know the values of a1 and a2. So substituting those values here, we now have 1 divided by 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, the fourth term a4 depends upon a2 and a3. We now have a4 equals a4 minus 1 whole divided by a4 minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to a3 whole divided by a2 plus 3. Just now we have found the value of a3 to be equal to 1 by 4 and already we know the value of a2 to be equal to 1. So substituting these values, we now have 1 by 4 whole divided by 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 4 whole divided by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 16. In the same way, the fifth term a5 can be calculated as a5 equals a5 minus 1 whole divided by a5 minus 2 plus 3. How did we get this step? We are substituting wherever n is there, the value of n to be equal to 5 in the given question. That is how we have this step. So this will now be equal to a4 whole divided by a3 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 16 whole divided by 1 by 4 plus 3, because a3 value we know it is going to be 1 by 4. So our next step equals 1 by 16 into 4 by 13, which is equal to 1 by 52. Therefore, the first 5 terms of the sequence will be 1, 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 16 and 1 by 52. Thank you, students.